Hello everyone, TrainMan611 here, back at the place with the trains. It says lift up, so I lift up. House. Yes, this is a house. Oh, look at that. We have a model railway here, so let's take a look. Is this the entrance or? Oh, yeah, it looks like an entrance. Oh. All right, let's take a look at the. All right, so we have some switches here. There's a derail. Uh-oh, that's oh, here we go. We have some. This is a grain car here. What's this do? I wonder what this does. What does this do?
You ready to go, Nancy? Come on, let's go.
Are there any controls? Oh, goodness me. You're derailed. Is there any, like, power units or something? Where you can power the trains? This looks like G-scale. This is it compared to my hand. These are pretty big locomotives and rail.
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry. That's cute. These trains work? I don't know. Let's exit for now, and we'll see. Oh goodness me! Why do I keep getting my cord stuck? As you can see from the last part, I keep getting my charging cable stuck on my phone. All right, so there's magnet tiles. Wait, okay, let's. Well, this is cool. We have a model railroad in Lego version.
You can press the buttons.
Freight train.
And this one, cables, this one too.
All right. Here's the freight train.
Right there, right there.
That's a passenger train. Oh, there's the freight train. Oh, you have to hold the button. All right. Oh, look at that. They're running long and forward.
Can you hold this button too right there?
Yeah, hold on, windmill. Oh, there's the windmill back there.
And both at the same
They're running
time?
that.
Hold the windmill.
Oh, watch. Oh, let's go over here and take. Oh, look, we have movement on the Western Maryland locomotive. The Western Maryland is running. Looks like these are hands-on, like model trains here. So let's head over here and see if we can find any control of locomotives. Looks like might do something. I don't know. Here's a New York Central. Oh, it's moving. Oh, okay. Here we go. How'd you do that? Oh, hold on. How do you do that?
I don't know.
Oh.
There it goes. I think that car was in its way. That's why I wasn't doing it.
Hold on. I have an idea. Let's add that car onto the train.
How can we switch this?
Let's take a look and see if we can get some switching here. That is not a gondola.
I don't think you can switch it.
You can look, Ben.
No, you're not supposed to do it like that.
You are.
No, but I mean the thing's like supposed to be electronic.
Let me take a look here. Excuse me. Oh, mind if I see this? Hold on, mind if I? Hold on. Hey, can I see it? Oh, wait. All right. Hold on. Now we just need to do number 4. Let's change it over here.
I'm gonna do that again.
All right. There we go.
No, I wanna play with it. I wanna play.
Oh, can I add it to the train real quick?
Maybe
All right.
I wanna play with it.
Hold on. Look. Let's connect it. Oh. Uh-oh. Whoops.
I know, but he's doing something. What's going
I
on
wanna
there?
play with it.
Oh no, it's derailed.
No, I wanna
Oh, whoops.
I want to play with that.
Hold on one
wait.
second, please.
Hold on.
Oh no, it's derailed.
I want to play with
Hold on, I'm trying to
Ben,
rerail.
Ben, over here. Ben. Benjamin. Here, put it on this one.
Alright, there we go. We are re-railed. I have a stupid idea here. Hold on, watch out. I'm gonna try and do multi-track drifting. Alright, multi-track Hold on, watch out. I'm gonna do multi-track.
No, let him play, all right?
Okay.
He's freaking out if he doesn't play with it. You can wait.
We'll wait for the multi-track drifting action. Uh-oh. Switch. Oh. It just derails. So, let's get it back. Holy moly, it just derailed itself. Let's realign the switch here. Let's... There we go. Oh, hold up. We gotta switch. Oh, are we gonna connect it now? Alright, let's see. Oh, this is how you switch it here.
Let's go play with something else, okay? Come on. Let's go.
Alright, is it on the track? Alright, reversing. Oh, wrong way. Are we gonna add the New Haven car?
Yep.
Alright, so let's add the New Haven car first. Alright, I'm just gonna play with these trains. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Trainman 611 out.